Today, we're talking about how to make enterprise data less annoying. I don't know, Dale, do you have any annoying data in your work?
Sometimes I think the only type of data I have is annoying data, but I'll tell you what I wish I had, which is like a nice spreadsheet or maybe data in rows in a database that I could just sort of search through with a SQL query.
Exactly. I wish I had that last week. You know, helping my friends with their taxes, they bring these big boxes of receipts. And that's just totally annoying, right?
Yeah, I think any data type like that, like a PDF or video, audio, any like big multimedia file is really annoying to work with from a technical perspective.
Yeah, but think about how we deal with that in enterprise, right? It's kind of a perception problem, right? We have to take a receipt, read it, and then enter something into a spreadsheet, or watch a video and spend the time looking at that and then look for the things we're trying to find. So I bet we could use these machine learning techniques to kind of help solve this problem. Don't you think, Dale?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's a great problem for ML. In fact, that's kind of what Google search does, right? Like we take one of the most annoying data sets, which is the entire public web, and make it easier to search and query.
A perfect example, Dale. And I think that's kind of what we're doing at Google Cloud, right? We take the magic of Google, that huge stack, and we put that in the hands of the enterprise. And so here's just one simple example. In my early example of like Doc AI, we can take a receipt, and what we can do is turn that receipt in an image, a PDF, and turn that directly into a line on a spreadsheet or fill out a form. That's just one example of how to make data a lot less annoying with AI.
Yeah, totally. You could do this with documents. You could also do it like with video. If you think of video as it's like a combination of a photo and audio, us speaking. So imagine you use a computer vision model to analyze what's going on in the photo of a video, tag everything as text, and then maybe you transcribe what we're saying as well, and then suddenly your video is easy to search through because it's text.
So that's how that works. You take a big video and you break it down into text, and from that you can search and find what you're looking for. So for the interested watcher, please check out two things. One is it's called Video Intelligence API. It's online now, and you can do exactly what Dale talked about, take a video and turn that directly into text. And the second one is a family of products we call Doc AI. And this allows you to turn things like the financial form I talked about earlier, but also you can do the same things in the healthcare space, in the retail space, and even more. So thanks everybody for stopping by, and please check us out.